Hola, hola, buenas. Ahora yo estoy haciendo un examen de español. So right now I'm gonna do the Spanish Duolingo placement test. I did a video on me doing a Duolingo placement test in Portuguese because I am Brazilian American, but I'm also Cuban American, a little half and half. Some of you might not know that. CU, Cuba, BR, Brazil. Well, here's let me give you a little background of my Spanish. I knew a little bit of Spanish growing up, maybe up to like 5 years. So I knew a little bit, but I kind of stopped. And the thing is that I always kind of grew up around the culture. I knew words, I wasn't like dislocated. That's still part of me, right? And I've always enjoyed the music, especially more recently. And these past couple of years, I've been getting more interested in getting back into both languages, Portuguese and Spanish. And my knowledge of the language pretty much came from speaking with family members and people around my neighborhood, because I did live in a predominantly Hispanic neighborhood, and also in American English class and American Spanish class. So that's something I did, and it wasn't the best. I didn't like it at all. I didn't like my instructor, my teacher. So it made it very hard for me to actually like the language. But it was always part of me, so here we go. Let's do this, okay? Learn Spanish from English. Yes. Spoken in 21 countries. Did you know that? Many with beautiful beaches and ancient cultures. It's one of the most important languages and the third most spoken language in the world. So let's make sure that I'm proficient, okay? Oh, this is not what we want to do. Good thing. Oh wow, I like how it did that. Rebooted it because I took a little lessons to see how it is, a little practice, but I don't know anything. Let's just say I don't know anything. I want to test, okay? See how good I am going to do. Okay? Let's take a test and jump ahead.
Juan come manzanas.
So let's take a test. I gotta not think Portuguese. Yo necesito pensar en español. Entonces Juan come manzanas, and my boy Juan eats apples. There you go. Excellent. Number one. You see?
Un sombrero caro.
Whoa, 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 whoa. What do you say?
Un sombrero caro.
Un
Un
sombrero
sombrero
caro.
caro.
Caro. I got an expensive ass hat. Yo
Yo
vivo
vivo
en
en
Boston, España.
Boston.
I live in Boston. Nice. Tres in a row. Tres. Mucho bien, muito bene, muito bene. Portuñale, ya tú sabes. Okay. Do you have an office?
Tú
¿Tú tienes
tienes una
una
oficina.
oficina?
Mi
Amazing.
amigo Juan es de México.
Oye, no, mi amigo Juan es de Mexico. My friend Juan is from Mexico. I wonder what part. Chihuahua, Baja California.
¿Tú tienes un escritorio en tu oficina?
Do you have a desk in your office? I do. Well, it's also my bedroom for now. But, tú tienes. Do you have a desk in your office? Correctamente.
Quiero hablar español.
I want to speak Spanish. I want to speak Spanish. I speak Spanish. Yo quiero hablar español. Correcto.
¿Cuántas neveras hay en la cocina?
¿Cuántas neveras
Neveras
en la
en la
cocina?
cocina. ¿Cuántas neveras hay en la cocina?
Hay
Hay en la cocina. ¿Cuántas neveras hay en la
cocina.
cocina?
Yo, so how many refrigerators are in the kitchen? Most people have one, but if you're mad and bougie, es rico. Ya tú sabes, tener dinero. You got two, but usually you keep that somewhere else. But we go
Nuestras familias comen juntas los domingos.
Our families eat every Sunday. Our families. Where at the park? You see, this is going good so far, but no mess up. You see, because the way these tests work is that you mess up once, and then um, they really mess you up. So our families eat on on Sundays. Eat together, eat together on Sundays. You got to make sure you're paying attention when you're doing this. There you go. Why are they worried?
Por
Porque ellas
ellas
están
están
hmm, pre emocionado, emocionado, viaje. Um, I don't think it's preocupadas. That's like busy. I'm gonna say emocionadas.
emocionado.
Ah, it is. What am I thinking? You see? Hmm. Duo.
Dúo.
¿Tú quieres más queso? Do you? ¿Quieres
Quiere más
queso?
queso.
Yes.
Me gusta mucho ir de compras.
Me gusta,
Mucho.
me gusta,
Gusta
me gusta mucho ir de
mucho
compras.
ir de compras. Me gusta mucho ir de compras.
I like to go shopping a lot. They always eat in the kitchen.
Ellos. Siempre
Comen.
comen en la
Cocina. Ellos siempre comen en la cocina.
Nuestras madres trabajan juntas.
Our moms work together. I wonder what they do. They better be making bank. See bank? Our mothers work together. Our mothers work together. Nice. Okay. Halfway through, I only got one wrong, but because I didn't really know the word, but I was thinking if it was like busy, occupied, preoccupied, whatever. I don't know. I see. I want to visit that museum. Quiero. Quiero
Visitar.
visitar. No. Yeah, quiero
Visitar.
visitar
Ese
museo.
museo.
Sara hace la cena para la familia.
Sarah makes the dinner for the family. For family? Makes dinner for family. For the family. That makes more sense. Yes. Mi abuelo amo.
Abuelo.
Oh, mi
Mi
abuelo. Mi abuelo americano, cubano, ya tú sabes, mi abuelo, ¿tienes? No, where's problemas? Mi abuelo me quiere.
Quiere. Bonita. Mucho.
¿Tienes problemas? Me quieres, I guess. Okay. Me quiere mucho.
Mucho.
Mi abuelo me quiere mucho.
A veces hace mal tiempo en febrero.
A veces hace mal tiempo en febrero. Yeah, February is usually bad weather. Sometimes, a veces, sometimes, there are bad weather. February has bad weather. A veces, February sees bad, usually bad, February. A veces. This is a little bit biting me here. So it's like, at times, sometimes, there are, I see. The only verb here is see, into, usually. Sometimes, opa. Sometimes, bad. No, bad, mal, better. Sometimes, though bad weather, too bad weather. Sometimes see bad weather. Sometimes February's weather in bad. I'm not trying to. It's saying the times there's bad weather in February, right? A veces, sometimes, usually. A veces, at times, sometimes. I've had sometimes the February's bad. That makes sense? No. Yeah, sometimes you have an extra space. Sometimes the weather in February is bad. Sometimes the weather in February is bad. Yeah, that's what I said. You have the extra space. Wow, that was a little bit like read on that one. I was like confused how you're wording that. Do you have a red blouse? De de oh dude, my de nene, no tene. Pero tene te gusta
Gusta.
esta
Esta.
blusa
Blusa.
roja?
Roja.
Yo voy a salir de casa muy pronto.
I'm gonna go. I'm gonna leave the. I'm going. I'm going to leave the house real soon. Very soon, because she's in a rush. Excelente.
$42. 40.
Dos.
$2.
$42. What? $42. Y dos. Yeah, 40. 42. I'm thinking so literal here. See, that's a stupid mistake. I shouldn't have been penalized, but you know what? No, we don't understand Chinese.
Nosotros.
Nosotros no
No.
entendemos chino.
Chino.
I like this accent there. Where are you going to travel this year? Probably Brazil, probably another country you haven't been to.
¿A dónde?
¿A dónde? ¿A dónde vas?
Vas
A viajar
viajar.
este año? Estamos? Where are you? Where are you? El año. Niño ventes. Next year. Año próximo. Viaja
Año.
el año próximo. The next
Año
year.
próximo.
¿A dónde vas a viajar el próximo año? ¿A dónde vas a viajar el año próximo? El próximo año, yeah.
Ellas no van a viajar el próximo enero.
Damn, probably because of COVID, they're not gonna go travel. So they are. They not. They not. That's not even English. They. Oh, they aren't. I guess you want to add that little added conjugation there. They aren't going to travel next January. Blame COVID.
Las papas son más caras que los tomates.
Oye, porque yo quiero saber why is the potatoes more cheaper, I mean more expensive than the tomatoes. Okay, potato, tomato, tomato, tomato. Okay, that's what we're gonna get down to this. Okay, so I'm just saying the potatoes are more expensive than tomatoes. Awesome. Oh my gosh, how did I do better? I thought I was better in Portuguese. Maybe this test is too easy for me. Ooh, tested out of 36 skills. Let's go. I got 3 languages, and I unlocked the gift. Yeah, why are they worried? This was my... ¿Por qué ellas están preocupados? Why are they worried? I don't use that word enough, preocupados, but I know what it means, but...
$42.
And that was a stupid mistake, because I'm thinking 42, but it's 40 and $2, the way how you say it. So, I learned my lesson. Test complete. Wow, I believe last time I had, what, 12%? And it looks like I know more Spanish, guys. I learn something new every day. I unlocked 24 stories? Damn. That was amazing. Gracias, todo mundo aquí. Gracias. Te quiero mucho. Ya tú sabes, you already know, I love you. You guys are the best. And yeah. So I already did my language tree on Portuguese, where I did level one. I live streamed that. I don't know if you guys prefer live streams. It was just an hour. If you guys want to hop in, we could do all the live streams together. You can see how bad I am messing up, and it will get harder and harder, and that's why I will do the learning. I also want to do some other languages, so let me guys know. Other language-wise, we got German, we got Italian, we got Turkish, maybe Japanese, maybe Arabic, maybe Italian. I don't know, whatever. Let me guys know. I'm the Cuban, Brazilian, American, um, doing Duolingo. So I appreciate you guys for checking out and being here this far. If you guys want more videos like this on Duolingo, any other app, or any more recommendations, make sure to let me know down below. I appreciate it. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit the like button. And I just appreciate your time and me learning these languages with you. And obrigado, gracias, e tchau, tchau. Peace.